Have you ever wondered how to become rich? Have you ever pondered the secrets to accumulating wealth? Today, we delve into 10 insightful ways to achieve financial prosperity. Firstly, invest in yourself. This means improving your skills, knowledge, and abilities. Attend seminars, read books, take online courses. The more valuable you become, the more you can earn. Secondly, save to invest. It's not about how much you save, but what you do with what you've saved. Don't just save to invest. Make your money work for you. Thirdly, avoid debt that doesn't pay you. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt is investment debt that generates income. Bad debt is everything else. Make sure your debt is good debt. Fourthly, treat your money like a jealous lover. It demands attention. It requires management and respect. If you neglect your money, it will leave you for someone who treats it better. Fifthly, money isn't everything, but it's close to oxygen on the gotta have it scale. Understand the importance of money in areas where it's needed and recognize where it's not. Sixthly, focus on increasing your income. In today's economic environment, you cannot save your way to millionaire status. The first step is to focus on increasing your income and repeat that. Seventhly, never depend on a single income. Make investments to create a second source. Diversifying your income streams is crucial to protect yourself and your ability to generate wealth. Eighthly, surround yourself with like-minded individuals. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Make sure those 5 people are people who inspire you, challenge you, and make you better. Ninthly, be decisive. Decision is the master key to success. The more decisions you make, the better you'll become at making them. Money likes speed. Make decisions quickly and change them slowly. Lastly, don't show off, show up. Don't waste time and money trying to impress others. Instead, spend time and money impressing yourself. Invest in yourself and your future. In summary, becoming rich is a process. It starts with investing in yourself, saving to invest, avoiding bad debt, treating money with respect, understanding the importance of money, focusing on increasing income, diversifying income streams, surrounding yourself with inspiring people, being decisive, and investing in yourself instead of showing off. These are the 10 ways to become rich. Remember, wealth is a journey, not a destination. Start your journey today.